This is 1999 Honda Accord. Honda Accord with the V6 engine. The AC compressor went bad. That's the AC compressors went bad. The clutch, and it's already is not working, so we're gonna put a regular belt without AC compressor. It's a bypass, they call it. I tried too many belts, but first of all, I took the fan, and I took the fan, radiator fan, and I took the AC out, and I put just like this. I put the belt around the alternator and the tensioner and the crank pulley, and that's all you can do. And the number for the belt is, let me tell you, the number of the belt is 5060420. That's the number match bypass for the belt without AC compressor. You guys have a fun with it. It's easy and simple. I got hard time, too many belts. I tried to put too many belts, a lot of them, and before two again, until now I get the right one and it's fit. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye.